Imagine you want to build a compact gaming PC that's not only powerful, but also really stylish. Today, we're looking at a motherboard that's made exactly for that purpose. Stick around until the end. It might just be the centerpiece that gives your next build that extra kick. This motherboard is compact but packed with features you'd usually find on larger models. You get support for the latest Intel processors, and thanks to the micro ATX format, it fits perfectly into smaller cases without forcing you to compromise on features. The design is a real eye-catcher. White and silver accents paired with RGB lighting. If you're going for a clean, modern look, this will win you over instantly. It's also practical. Thanks to Q-Release, you can pop out your graphics card with a single click. No fiddly screws required. Performance-wise, this board leaves little to be desired. The PCI 5.0 slot is future-proof. The two M.2 slots come with heat sinks, and the 12+1 phase VRM design ensures stable power delivery even if you're running an i7 or i9, though extreme overclocking isn't possible with the B760 chipset. On connectivity, you're well covered. USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 with up to 20 gigabits per second, approximately 2.5 gigabytes per second, Wi-Fi 6E, 2.5 gigabit LAN, and even a BIOS flashback button in case you need to update without having a CPU or RAM installed. One minor downside, this is the DDR4 version. That means you won't get the absolute newest memory tech, but you'll save a good chunk on RAM and can reuse existing modules. Overall, this motherboard is a strong package for anyone who wants a compact, stylish, and capable system without spending a fortune. If this piqued your interest, definitely check out the deals linked in the video description. So, what's good and not so good about this motherboard? Pros: excellent feature set for the price. Future-proof thanks to PCIe 5.0 and Wi-Fi 6E. Compact format with attractive design. Easy GPU removal with Q-Release. Lots of fan and RGB headers. Cons: no DDR5 support. CMOS battery is a bit hard to reach. No CPU overclocking possible. Only somewhat suited for absolute high-end CPUs. If you want to build a small but powerful gaming PC that balances features, looks, and value, this motherboard is definitely worth considering. The mix of modern tech, smart features, and appealing design makes it an exciting choice. Check the offers in the description below to see if it's on sale right now. And if you liked this review, drop a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe so you won't miss more hardware reviews.